Today, as you guys can tell, we're going to be chugging 2 liters of seltzer water. I'm kidding, don't click off the video, don't click off the video. As you guys can tell here, we have 2 bottles of water, seltzer sparkling water. I think that's what it's called, I don't know. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can chug this here 2 liters of seltzer water, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know. But it's carbonated. I did get a flavored sparkling water rather than the regular, because obviously the regular one's going to taste like trash. You guys know that. Like I said, I think this is probably like the most carbonated drink you could probably get. I think I said that in my last video when I did the 2-liter Fresco chug. But when I posted that video, one of my friends actually saw that video and were like, why don't you do seltzer water? Why don't you try seltzer water? Make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. You guys already know what it is. Let's go. Let's see how fast we can chug 2 liters of seltzer sparkling water. 2 liters of seltzer sparkling water. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see how fast we can chug this. Okay, that was definitely... Come on, come on. Okay, that was bad. That was bad. But we still have it. And... Jesus. First one down. That's so carbonated. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jesus. It's about to explode all over there. Alright, let's second one, let's go. It's making my eyes watery. There we go. That was 2 liters of seltzer water, sparkling water, whatever you want to call it, in 2 minutes, a few seconds. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see like this. Anything down below in the comments. If I pick your idea, I'll shout you out in the next video. So make sure you guys spam the comments. Also spam that like button. Almost felt like I could have done like 3 of these. I should have gotten 3. I should have gotten 3. Should have got 3 of these. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. We're out.